नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name MAD third SEM. Curry subject name Curriculum Development and Comparative Education. Session name Comparative Education Philosophical. I welcome to all in university class. Today we discussing about comparative education philosophical. The philosophy of education examines the goals, forms, methods, and meaning of education. The term is used to describe both fundamental philosophical analysis of these things and the description of analysis of particular pedagogical approaches, consideration of how the procession related to broader philosophical or socio-cultural context may be included. The philosophy of education thus overlaps with the field of education and applied philosophy. This entry considered the constitution and definition of the field of comparative education in terms of its substantive content or object of study, its method and its aims and purposes. The differentiation of comparative education from related fields such as international education, educational development, and area study, and conceptual issues associated with the role of cultural and countries or nation states as units of analysis in comparative education. Not least the influence of increasing rates of globalization on the efficiency of culture as a unit of comparison. According to Horalno, Max Actation, comparative education has four purposes: to describe education system, process, or outcomes to assist in the development of educational institutions and practices, to highlight the relationship between education and society. There are four philosophical perspectives currently used in educational setting: essentialism, perennialism, progressivism, and social reconstruction, and critical pedagogy. There are four philosophical perspectives currently used in educational setting: essentialism, perennialism, progressivism, and social reconstructivism. Critical pedagogy, unlike the more abstract ontology and axiology, these four perspectives focus primarily on what should be taught and how it should be taught. The curriculum. Essentialism. Essentialism adheres to a belief that a core set of essential skills must be taught to all students. Essentialists tend to privilege traditional academic disciplines that will develop prescribed skills and objectives in different content areas as well as develop a common culture. Typically, essentialism argues for a back to basis approach on teaching intellectual and moral standards. School should prepare all students to be productive members of society. Essentialist curricula focus on reading, writing, computing clearly and logically about objective facts about the outside real world. School should be site or rigor where students learn to work hard and respect authority. Because of this stance, essentialism tends to subscribe to tenet of realism. Essentialist classrooms tend to be teacher-centered. in instructional delivery with an emphasis on lecture and teacher demonstration. Perennialism. Perennialism advocates for seeking, teaching, and learning universal truths that span across historical time periods. These truths, perennialists argue, have everlasting importance in helping humans solve problems regardless of time and place. While perennialism resembles essentialism at first glance, perennialism focuses on the individual development of the student rather than emphasizing skills. Perennialism supports liberal art curricula that helps produce well-rounded individuals with some knowledge across the arts and sciences. All students should take classes in English language, arts, foreign language, mathematics, natural science, fine arts, and philosophy. Like essentialism, parallelism may tend to favor teacher-centered instruction. However, parallelists to utilize student-centered instructional activities like Socratic seminar, which values and encourage students to think, rationalize, and develop their own ideas on topics. Progressivism. Progressivism. Progressive focus in its educational stance toward experimental learning with a focus on developing the whole child. Students learn by doing rather than being lectured to by teachers. Curriculum is usually integrated across contents instead of siloed into different disciplines. Progressive stance is in stark contrast to both essentialism and parallelism. In this manner, progressive follow, follows a clear pragmatic ontology where the learner focuses on solving real world problems through real experiences. Progressist classroom are student centered where students will work in cooperative, collaborative groups to do project based, expeditionary, problem based, and or service learning activities. In progressist classroom, students have opportunities to follow their interest and have shared authority in planning and decision making with teachers. Social reconstructionism and critical pedagogy. Social reconstructionism was founded as a response to the atrocities of World War II and the Holocaust to assume human cruelty. Social reform in response to helping prepare students to make a better world through instilling democratic values. Critical pedagogy emerged from the foundation of the early social reconstructionist movement. Critical pedagogy is the application of critical theory to education. For critical pedagogies, teaching and learning is inherently a political act, and they declare that knowledge and language are not neutral, nor can they be objective. Critical pedagogy, the application of critical theory to education. For critical pedagogies, teaching and learning is inherently a political act, and they declare that knowledge and language are not neutral, nor can they be objective. Therefore, issues involving social environment or economic justice cannot be separated from this curriculum. Critical pedagogy's goal is to emancipate marginalizing oppressed groups by developing, according to Paulo Freire, constituents of critical consciousness in students. Critical pedagogy recenters the traditional classrooms which positions teacher at the center. The curriculum and classroom with a critical pedagogy stance is student-centered and focus its content on social critique and political action. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0. Have any query, write in comment box. We resolve your query. Thank you.